Alright, so while Douglas is getting set up, let me tell y'all what we're doing today. So today we went to this place called Kool Bins, right? So I know me and Douglas have been watching some YouTube channels and they keep getting pallets of stuff in. And they sell stuff on Facebook and Instagram and eBay and all that stuff. And we've actually looked into it. But this person, what they've done is buy the pallets themselves. Yeah. And then what they do is that they get a place. Yeah. They have bins. So they have like, I'll say 8 by 15 bins.
What kind of bins?
Just particle wood bins, and they're about 3 to 4 feet tall.
Oh.
And you can dig in and get the box. You cannot open the box. That's one of the rules. One of the rules is you cannot open the box. You have to bring the box to the people, to the bulk box opening section so that the workers could open it. You can make a choice if you want it or not, and then they got to tape it back up.
Either way.
Either way. They got to tape it back up to put it back out on the floor, or they got to tape it back up for you to buy it. And so it's about, altogether I say about 20, 21 bins, and they just throwing stuff out there. So they have $7 Saturday and Sunday, $4 Monday, $3 Tuesday, and $2 Wednesday. And then after that, they Thursday and Friday, they're cleaning, disinfecting, and restocking for the next Saturday. It's pretty hot, right? So today is Wednesday. Today is Saturday. So it was $7 Saturday. And so what me and Douglas wanted to do was pretty much see if we actually lost money or did we actually save money. Y'all know we're trying to be on a budget on things but still enjoy life, and so this was just something that we did. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 boxes. All right. Hey Tommies, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Atoya at Home. While I'm counting the stuff up and Doug is looking for a phone, I just want to come on and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I'm a wife of 1, which is Douglas, and the mother of 3, which is Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. And we have come to show y'all what's going on today, and I want to welcome y'all to my channel and to my family. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe down below, and yeah, tell me where you're from in the comment section below, and make sure you click that thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. If we saved money or if we
lost money,
got bamboozled and lost money. So
that's not happening.
That's what's gonna happen.
I found my favorite shirt.
You found your favorite shirt that's too medium for you. So I'm gonna open this one first. See, this is how all the boxes look, and then you see how much tape is on it. That means people didn't want to buy it. Yeah. So we are going to open. Can I play some music? I am playing. Alright, if you are into social media, I am on Instagram at Atoya at Home. But if you go to Instagram.com/ it's DAT Family 5, because that is our company, DAT Family 5 LLC, and that is also where we at on Facebook. So if you are looking and having somebody searching for me on YouTube, you will find me under DAT Family 5. So right now we're just going over the boxes and how much they were and what they are. And so I'm just going to speed this up. We're not going to be before you long. Y'all know how we do. I don't like to be all in your face for too long. But don't forget to click that subscription box down below. Make sure you ring that bell with notifications. And make sure you put that thumbs up if you like this video. And also make sure that you comment down below who you are and where you're from. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all for all the support. And yeah. Make sure y'all go to our website. I gotta do some updating on it. I haven't been on it in a while, but I need to do some updating on that and on our blog. So y'all stay tuned, and hey, we just trying to build my dream that was given to me. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the music and enjoy the rest of us doing things.
Lucky, 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 I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Don't rush, don't little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, don't little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Gotta just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races and never beginning up. I don't want nobody else. You know that you fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Just let go. Let go. Don't need to figure it out. Making time, not taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you
Real quick, I'm just going to go ahead and do some calculations, and then we will be out of your hair. While we're here, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Atoya. That's why it's called Atoya at Home. And this is my husband Douglas for the last 17 years. We have 3 beautiful girls and 4 fur babies, 2 cats and 2 dogs. And so if you like our channel, if you like my channel, and if you like our vibe, continue to watch videos. First,
Watch our
secondly,
videos. Don't just watch any random.
no, watch our videos, yes. And then secondly, make sure you click the subscription box down below.
What?
And then make sure you click that thumbs up for all notifications. Make sure you hit that bell. The bell with the parentheses on the side, so that you can get all notifications. He's so awkward.
Ring my bell, ding dong, ding 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 ding.
All right, you guys. So you know I don't like to be before y'all long. So right now, during this time, I'm adding up all 17 items and getting them together. I'm gonna go ahead and put a screenshot of what we had onto the side towards the end of that, and then I hope y'all have an amazing day, an amazing night. We got about 4 more minutes left, so I hope y'all enjoy. We got some new edits and stuff towards the end, and as you see new edits coming in, learning this craft is really becoming pretty cool. So I really hope y'all enjoy, and thank you so much. Right now we at 667. That's why I added $1.
Whoa! That's close to the 6, 6 and a 3 plus 3.
Light. Name kid.
Short story long. This is what we were doing.
Doing what?
This.
This for what?
The video. And adding stuff up. Short story long. That's a joke.
Oh, because I'm taking so long?
Look at the bouquet. Just not covering dust.
Alright. Yeah, that's it. Plus the AV adapter.
How much is that?
That is 15.
What's that for?
To connect to TV. It shows exactly what it's for.
Okay, it said lighting and TV.
Yeah, so you can charge it or you can connect it to a TV. I think, I don't know how, but
Home, no place like home, 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 no place like home. Had a lover boy, now you're on the other side of the tracks with another boy.
well, I will see. Well, no, because the next thing we're going to be doing is the kitchen. So we will be seeing you shortly.
Or cleaning. Because I like to clean. I'm a man that likes to clean.
He does like to clean, but he forgets to carry the camera with him.
I don't care about the camera. I just like to clean.
But,
I do it in the nude most of the time in my underwear, so that's why I don't have the camera out there. Sacks just showing.
okay. All right, so we are about to go. And y'all have a good day.
And a blessed night.
And a blessed night. Thank y'all so much.
Home, no place like